Years ago, my dad was a superhero known as the symbol of peace, Lightning Strike. But when I was a kid, he was killed. And now I must carry on his legacy. My name is Tony Jefferson, and this is how I became the symbol of hope, Lightning Strike.
What you want to me? What have I got to lose?
Finally. Okay. My hair. It doesn't matter. I can fix it. Guess it's time to go to school, I guess. Alright. Okay. Hey, Jessica, you in here? Jessica? She at work today? She didn't tell me. Of course, Mom is at work. I should hurry up, get ready, and get dressed. My back hurts. Oh, hey Josh. Good to see you. You're not late for once. So how was your weekend? What you been up to? You know? Oh, that's good. Same. The weekend was really boring, to be honest. The same thing I do every day. Chill at home. But hey, you're not late for once, I see. That's a surprise. I mean, like, you usually sleep in, right? Oh, really? That's a surprise. Um, the bell about to ring soon. That was the bell right now. We should hurry up and get to class. Yeah, sure. Okay, Andy texted that he needed me. Gosh, I hate going to this place. Hey Andy, you needed me, Andy? You needed me, Andy? Hey, so what's this about? You said you needed to talk to me, right? Explain what? Where is this going? What about this city? Where are you? Oh my. How many times I gotta tell you this? I'm not becoming Lightning Strike. It's never gonna happen. Yeah, you did, and you got the same answer. No. What about Mom? She doesn't even want me to become Lightning Strike either. She's the only one that doesn't want me to become Lightning Strike. What about my love for my family? Where is this going with, Andy? Yes, so? Yeah, what about it? You don't understand, Andy. He was barely there for me and my sister. I don't even... Whatever. He wasn't even there for me or my sister. I don't even remember what he looks like. You know how much stress Mom was in, worrying each day if he was gonna come back or not? I don't even remember what he looks like. Yes, I'm not going to hell because of my personal problems. I'm not gonna keep on the legacy of a person who was even barely there for me. I'm not doing that. I don't care if he sacrificed everything. I'm out of here. I knew you about to just do this again. Whatever. I'm out of here. Of course Andy was trying to persuade me again. He always tries to do that. I guess I can talk to Jessica about it. This place look empty. Uh, hey Jessica. Good to see you again. Hey, I see you're not doing your job right now. You on break or something? What's going on? Yeah, good point. I came to talk to you about something. It's not important or anything, but, just a topic. It's Andy again. He keeps trying to persuade me to become Lightning Strike. And I don't want to become Lightning Strike. And he knows that. And you know that. I'm just sick of him. Keep trying to persuade me. You know why not. You know, our father, the guy who was barely there for us. Why would I want to keep on his legacy? He was barely there for us. I mean, I get why, but still though, you couldn't take a day off or so? Yeah, I'm glad you get it. I'm glad you understand. I'm sick of it. Andy kept trying to persuade me to be Lightning Strike so many times. And I'm just sick of it. I'm getting tired. I can't remember one day when he didn't ask me to be Lightning Strike. Not even one day. I'm sick of it. I really am. You think what, Jessica? I mean, if you think that, yeah, I know that. Of course, that's just life. Of course, people die. They know where their hero went. The hero died protecting them, saving the city. They know where their hero went. They know what happened to that hero. I don't know. The police. It is their job to help people. So I don't know. I'm just. I'm never gonna put on that suit. I swear I'm not. No, of course he didn't just put it on for the fun of it. He did it to protect the city, even if that meant never spending time with us. He did it to keep the city safe. No, I'm not. I, I just. I. Whatever, okay? I thought you agree with me, but you're just doing the same thing that Andy did, trying to persuade me you come lightning strike. I thought you actually try to listen to me. I'm sick of this. I'm out of here, okay? Go ahead and keep doing your job. I just thought maybe Jessica will understand for once. I mean, it's not her first time trying to persuade me, but still, she could have at least tried to hear me out. I mean, she did, but I don't know. Just, I'm just so. My mom and dad were nearly arguing every day. They had a great relationship, but she was always worried if he's gonna make it home or not. When he died, it became real stressful for her. But it made sense why dad was always fighting crime every day. Valley City was one of the most dangerous cities back in the day. Of course, having to fight crime all the time meant that he had no time to spend with his kids. Maybe a few times though. But my dad sacrificed his life saving the city. That's when he was branded the symbol of peace, the hero who saved Valley City. Lightning strike. Huh? What is it now, Andy? I swear, if you're trying to persuade me again, you're going to get the same answer. No. What about them all? What about you? Is Jessica okay? Did something bad happen? It's been what? Is Jessica okay? She's fine, right? She didn't get shot. Did the police get there in time? What? She's a hostage. Can the police deal with that? What? No, this is bad. If the cops haven't shown, that means... God dang it. Fine, I'm gonna be lightning strike, but this is only one-time thing though, okay? After that, I'm quitting. Only to save my sister, okay? I gotta go. Yeah, I know, I have to go. Just one-time thing. Just a one-time thing. Okay. I don't know how to put that one on. Yeah, I don't know how to put that one on. This suit it is, then. Okay. Okay, I'm here. There are no police around. Yet. Just to make sure. Okay, I still got it. Okay. I'm gonna go in. It's easy, you got this. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. 3, 2, 1. He didn't see me, right? He didn't see me. I don't see Jessica. I hope she's alright. No. I think he has his gun out. Alright. Okay, I got this. Just blast him with lightning. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Again. I got it. Finally. I got him. Jessica. Jessica, are you okay? Jessica? Oh, yeah, you're fine. Thank God. Oh, yeah, you're right. I should get out of here, though. Tell the police what happened when they get here. I'ma go now. I only did this to save my sister. Never again, Andy, will I become Lightning Strike. Next episode, I'm gonna have to save the day again. Coming soon.